Keep on, I said it ain't gon' stop. It ain't gon' stop, it ain't gon' flop. Stop acting like we ain't so hot.
What's going on, people? This is Inflewence and I'm back with another video. This is an unboxing of the Ring video doorbell and the Ring alarm system. As some of you know that watch my videos, I'm closing on a house pretty soon, actually within days. So I got these ahead of time because I want to install them right away, seeming as we'll be, you know, going back and forth. So I just want it to be safe. I want my new house to be safe. So I chose Ring just because they have a good reputation and I like some of the capabilities. Now, it's not perfect. I know I don't think the best out there. There's some people say, but I like the ecosystem as well. I'm also going to get a camera for outdoors in the back area. So, but for now, this is what I have. And I'm just going to unbox them together because it came as a bundle. So I just don't want to milk it. I will have a video, separate videos of installation, and I'm talking about that and how easy it is. So let's just take this out. Looks like it's just a sleeve with pretty soon I have a dedicated studio space, unlike now. So then I will be able to, oh, they got these nice little, the tape's already like slit, but it's not cut. Just open the sleeve. It's nice little presentation. Got a good little box, little pictures. This is nice. Let's see what you get with this. So you open it up, has some felt covering the doorbell so it don't scratch. And you see the doorbell right away. It's pretty nice. I like the way it looks. I think there's a black case that will be going on here. I just like, you know, black's one of my favorite colors. So you have the booklets. This is just unboxing, so I'm not gonna go through too much stuff. It's where you put the batteries at. It is battery powered. I think you can wire it. Really interrupted by my battery dying, which if I edited this video right, you won't even be able to tell. I was saying that it's battery powered and the charge, not sure how long it's supposed to last, but it's supposed to last a good amount of time. But you can hardwire as well. I think the hard wiring actually charges the battery. I'm not 100% sure though. You got this kind of is an angler. So if you have it on a angle or whatever, you can put it on there and kind of like angles it up. Or I think you have another plate that angles it towards the, like wherever you want it to point at. Yeah, here you go. And that's what I was talking about. Put on here and then it's like an angle pointing that way, or you can turn it upside down and there's an angle pointing that way, whichever way you want it to see the best. So you get two of those. You have install tools. See what's in here. I think there's a special screwdriver, which isn't that special, but I'm hoping it's a different type of screwdriver. You have wires. So what comes in this kit, you have a book. So in this little bag, I mean, gives you a drill bit, which is nice that you get a drill bit just in case you don't have one. You can just throw it on. You still need a drill or a screwdriver or something. So you get this, which is the special screwdriver. It's not really a special one, but it's a certain type. I'm not going to say what, just in case you're trying to come get it. Nah, hopefully you won't know where I live at. So they have a diode that I know this hooks up to, just the research I've been doing. Sometimes the bell, your existing doorbell, doesn't work. It doesn't chime. So they give you that diode. You got two wires just to hook it up, just to extend, I guess, the doorbell wires, because probably it's just going to be two bare wires sticking out. So, and you got wire nuts in order to Don't be juvenile. You got wire nuts in order to place it, and you get the screws and anchors, just in case it's on, I guess, sheetrock or anything that's not actual stud. Should put on a stud if you can. Get the charger, which is a USB, mini USB, I think. Yeah, so that's cool. And you get another booklet. Let me see what else you get in here. I think you get 2 bags of screws. No, one of the screws are probably, there are 2 bags of screws, but it's a mounting screw, and maybe they give you extras, or maybe one mounts this actually, and then you mount the other stuff. You mount it on top of this. I don't know. How come you never get it back to the proper way that it comes out? I don't know, but all right, so you can't get that back in there. Here's the cover I was talking about. It's the black cover. So you have that, and you take that off, and you put this black cover on. Let me do it right so I don't break it before I use it. And it's kind of two-tone, like it doesn't match the black up here. I kind of wish it did, but it's still nice. You get the battery, of course, and some more screws, which I don't know what they're for, but it's pretty nice packaging, as expected. You know, Amazon owns Ring now, I believe, so that's where I got this from. It comes in a kit, and I'll put a link in the description for this bundle. It's really, you don't get any deal with buying the bundle, which is weird to me. I think it's like 3 cents different. This is $1.99. This is $1.99, which is $400, or I guess $498. But okay, I put that in wrong. But you get the package for like $398, something like that. Or $397. I don't know. It might not even be any deal at all. So let's get to this. Put the doorbell down, and let's see if they have the same. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty cool because it's sometimes hard to get this tape off, so you probably couldn't see it. But there's like a little tab where you just, and it rips the tape in half instead of trying to unbox it normally. And then after that tape comes off, just get this sleeve. So this is the alarm. It'll integrate. I think you gotta pay $10 a month for monitoring, or no, $3 a month for monitoring. I think $10 for, don't quote me. I'll probably have it somewhere in here, but it's not expensive when compared to other alarm systems, which is why I didn't get the Nest, because Nest runs, even though I've heard the Nest doorbell and maybe the security system is a little better, and that's all subjective as well, depending on what you want. And the Nest is run by a company that I can't think of right now, but I did look into it, and it's like $39 a month, which I might as well just got a regular alarm system instead of one of these connected systems. So you have the base station, which has a speaker, which is the alarm. Without monitoring, you can still use this, and it'll act as an alarm. This will go off. This will go off either way, but it'll go off, and it'll just be an audible deterrent and alert you. You get the booklets and stuff. I'm not gonna look at that right now. You get one keypad, which this keypad is pretty nice. It can come, I believe it can come off, like you can slide it up and take it with you. Like you mount this and then slide it on, but say you're going upstairs or something and you don't have your phone, because you can control all this with your phone as well, but you can take that off, take it into your room. So that's pretty nice. Pretty cool. I plan on having a few connected things. I don't want to totally have like crazy connective house. Okay. I don't all right, I don't know what I did, but I done messed that up. That's why you need to stop being hard-headed and read directions, kids. So I'm just gonna leave that like that. You get a motion sensor, just one motion sensor. So, you put it in a high traffic area, like in front of your door or whatever. You get a, what is this? I think this is an extender or a controller. I think this plugs in and it extends the signal. So it's throughout your house. And you get, I thought you got 2 of these, but I only see one. I don't know, maybe there's another one somewhere, but this is the actual, and I don't know if I see the other piece. This is the sensor. Put on the doors, windows, wherever. So I'm not sure, to tell you the truth. I think you're supposed to get more, but you can buy more as well, of course. I'm gonna have to buy more. I just got this to start with because it's just the beginning kit. You have this plug. I think this is for the keypad, but I do think it has, I know it has batteries, so it charges. And this is for the charger, which I don't know what that's for. It's mini USB. Thought you got more, but I see I'm gonna have to, oh no, here you go. Contact sensor install kit. So do I get one contact sensor? Maybe that's not the sensor. That could be something else. That's why you gotta read. Yeah, here's the sensor. Here's a contact sensor. It's like that goes on the door and this goes on the, so you only get one contact sensor. You're definitely gonna need more because you want them on your windows and doors. Nothing else in the box. Put the box over here. And you have the motion detector install kit, which is just like a plate that's curved so it can go in the corner. It's best installation. So yeah, so that's what you get. The only thing I'm disappointed with is there's one contact sensor. I thought there was more than one. I thought there was 2. I think in the other kit you get 2. I'm not 100% sure, but I guess it is what it is because got the little kit. And the contact sensors for 2 is like $39, which are kind of expensive. It is kind of expensive, I guess, but gotta pay to play. So I will be getting more contact sensors. This is just the start, so I can get it started and have some monitoring going on right away. Let me just open this just to see. You get your little sticker, window sticker, and all the books, and that's pretty much it for that. So yeah, if you like this, if you want to check this kit out, I have the link in the description where you can buy this. And let me look on here real quick just to see. And yes, you can monitor this. And yeah, I see the contact sensors is only one, so did not realize that. Because the other kit I looked at, I think there's a kit where there's 2, and then you have a kit that's like 11-piece kit where you can get 5 or 6 of them. That's probably a better buy, depending if you don't want the doorbell and just the alarm system, and vice versa. If you want it, well, the doorbell is the same price whether you buy it in the bundle or not. So the bundle is not really a deal, so take it for what it is. All right, I appreciate y'all watching, and I will get up with you on the next video.
Hip hop, I feel, I gotta say, who am I, you might say, influence, and I spit better than most in this game.